Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility and creating a backup. This avoids lost work. Once done, install Add Inserter from Plugins, right arrow Add New and activate it. Open the plugin settings and create your first block. Give it a clear name, choose the code type, HTML or JavaScript, and paste the add code. Make sure to save changes before proceeding, because saved blocks populate placement options and prevent accidental edits later on. Next, you configure where and when your ad appears. Choose placement, manual insertion, automatic before or after content in widgets or via shortcode. Then set display conditions, select user roles, device targeting, categories, post types, or time limits so ads show to the right audience. Enable alignment and responsive behavior so ads fit mobile and desktop. Finally, preview on sample posts and pages. This helps you spot layout shifts. To finish, test your setup on staging and inspect the browser console for JavaScript errors or blocked network requests. Once tests look good, deploy to production and monitor impressions and click metrics for 24 to 72 hours to confirm performance. If something breaks, disable suspected conflicting plugins, clear all caches, and test one block at a time to isolate the issue. If ads fail to render, check ad code providers and consent settings. Make adjustments and recheck immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.